Hello and welcome back to the garden. We are visiting and harvesting the potatoes today. And it's not the prettiest spot in the garden, but this is what it looks like when the potatoes are ready to be dug up, cleaned up, eaten, given to your neighbors. And here you see we've got Yukon Gold and Red Pontiac. We also have some Sarpomira over here in this pile. So let's grab our tools and get to digging. The best way to plant potatoes, guys, gals, it's super easy. Potatoes are just so at the ready and garden friendly, and so easier is better, honestly. And I took two approaches this year. These potatoes over here, these Yukon Golds and Red Pontiacs, I just simply buried them about 6 inches down, and that's the end. I've only seen 2 or 3 potatoes come up over the surface. I didn't bother hilling. I know that there are plenty down there. So let's dig into this box first. It's really important to spend some time in the beginning of your growing season before you plant things to amend your soil, meaning add any necessary nutrients and compost and soften the soil. Get your hands in there, get your shovels in there. Make the soil a good environment for things like worms to move through, as well as these underground veggies like potatoes, carrots, and beets. They need soft soil to grow big and plump and juicy. I'm taking up these large potatoes. Gosh, it's so beautiful. And I'll give some away. And keeping these smaller potatoes, they're so great for just sautéing whole. And of course, one of the most fun things about gardening is stopping by the tomato plants and having a snack. I put 2 different potatoes here in this garden, and let's look closely together, shall we? You'll see that these are still green and going, so I'm going to leave this plant, but looking over here, these Sarpomira leaves are turning yellow, the plant is dying off, and I'm going to take up one of these plants. I bet you if I left this here, left the plant, I probably could have gotten a bigger yield, but man, from one small potato, actually you cut them into quarters, and you plant it, and from a quarter of a potato, you know, it multiplies like this, and oh my gosh, it's so fascinating. I love these potatoes, the color of them. It's got this just beautiful deep fuchsia. Okay, I think that that's all I'm gonna take from the garden now. The rest of the plants are still green and thriving. I'm gonna save the rest of these to grow a little bit more and to dig up with my daughter. This is really exciting. This big old bucket came out of probably 3 quartered and chitted potatoes. So my advice to you is get out there and connect with your food. If you're not gardening, find a farm. And I just want to say thank you so much for being with me today in the garden. Harvesting with you is even more fun than just harvesting alone. Keep tuned because my daughter loves doing harvesting videos. So she'll be with me and that's a lot of fun. Thank you, friends. Blessings. I'll see you in the next one.